Hi, it's Pam Het, and I just wanted to show you something that I've been working on that I think could really help local Democratic campaigns. Now, I know how hard it is to write everything from scratch, especially if you're running down ballot without a full team. So I put together this mini toolkit that helps you create two core campaign messages, a stump speech and a five-part volunteer SMS sequence. It uses ChatGPT, but you don't need to know anything about AI. It gives you the exact prompts and templates, and it's super simple to use. So let me show you how it all works. So first you have the sample template and you complete it. And you just put in your name, the office that you're running for, the district. Then it'll ask you a little bit of your vision and values. So what was your vision? What's your values? Then it'll go for a closing call to action. So I'm asking for your support, any details about your campaign, when you want to start it, your kickoff, anything like that. And what's going to happen is you're going to get a 350 word stump speech that you can use. So it's this easy. You just copy and you fill in the blanks, the templates, and you just absolutely copy it. So I'll copy it. And you just go to ChatGPT and you paste it in and you go. So ChatGPT is now creating that stump speech for you. So here's your 350 word stump speech. Hello, friends. What your name is. I'm running to represent the district. Southern New Mexico deserves a voice that understands working class families, rural values, and the grit it takes to build something from the ground up. Just a little bit of your history. 15 years ago, left the hustle and bustle of Chicago, landed right here in Diana County. And from the moment I arrived, I knew I found my forever home. I planted roots, raised a family, and like many of you, rolled up my sleeves and went to work. So you talk a little bit about, again, your vision and values, and that's why you're running, and your call to action. So you can tell them exactly what you do. And that's your stump speech. That's as easy as it is. So what I'd like you to do is click on the link below. You can then get access to the mini kit that has the stump speech and the texting for volunteers, and let me know your feedback. I'd love to hear what you've got to say about it. So thank you and have a great